Good morning, guys. Time to take a walk. Saturday is the only time I have to take long walks, and come with me. Let's walk. My takeoff is police signboard. I don't have any destination in mind, but I know that I will pass Dunamis. So thank God for the good weather so far. I'll keep you guys posted. That place you're seeing, that DHL signboard, River Park. I just passed River Park in less than 25 minutes. I came out and already passed River Park. The next now is Dunamis. That's that golden yellow roof. I'm passing it like I'm so fast this morning, doing a brisk walk. 5 minutes into my walk. This is Shafa. This AYA Shafa, almost opposite Dunamis. That's where I am. Like, hey God. As I continue the journey, let's see how far I can get to this morning. So, Shafa, AYA Shafa, and that's Dunamis the other way. I have passed Dunamis, still going forward. I don't know, can we reach Saka today? But like, see, the sweat is dripping. It's 40 minutes into my workout, and I'm brisk walking, like walking fast. You know. Oh, we'll see how we get to. How busy the road is. Like, before you say Jack, cars are coming, cars are going on a Saturday morning. Yeah, all these cars even going to say. It's been an hour into my workout, and I think I'm at Sabonlube now. It's been a very, very, very long walk, and I'll be heading home soon because we have to walk back. So I got to Konoyi Sabonlube. Hey, Jesus Christ. I can walk for Africa. Really, I can walk for Africa. It took me about an hour, 10 minutes. Whew. I feel good. Like, I wish I can do this kind of walks every day. And when I just go back, drink water, take a shower and rest. Oh my Jesus, the kind of sleep, you will sleep. So I'm about heading home now, and I just decided to sit down a little and make this video before I head back, because trying to make the video while walking is like there's a lot of noise, so I'll be heading home now. Guys, the road is so busy. Guys, I'm actually exhausted. Like, I need water, and I'm very close to police signboard bridge. I'm tired. I think I've tried. Well done. Today's walk. Choke. Jesus Christ. Like, I just finished 750 ml now of water. But it was good, man. Like, it was very good.